Feel like falling deeper. Cold nights 난 너무 싫어. 기다리기에는 너무 길어. 줬던 내 사랑이 식어. 기대만 하는 것도 난 힘들어. No I can't, just can't. 가져 내 마음을 놔줘 내 가슴을 다 바쳐 사랑하기엔 내 자신이 너무 걱정돼 바보 같은 생각이야. 알아 멍청해. 상상만으로도 좋은 상상만으로도 힘든 이중적인 면을 가지고 있어. 사랑이라는 거 oh yeah. Baby can't you come with me. Can't you hold my hand and leave. 근데 있잖아 너라면 다를까 생각이 들어. 해볼까 말까 내 다리가 걸어 가는 방향이 어딘지 서로 궁금해져 버려. 애써 마음 졸여 하늘만 보면서 언제쯤 알게 될까. 너도 나와 같은 생각을 하고 있을까. 한참을 멍하니 보다 보니 살짝 어두워진 색깔 불그스름한 노을의 때깔. 상상만으로도 좋은
Hi guys, good morning. Hope you guys are doing good. So today is Tuesday. I'm just about driving out now. I have a couple of errands to run, after which I have a product photography job somewhere in town. So that is my waka for today. Hopefully I will take you guys along with us to the product shoot. And yeah, that's basically what my day is going to be like today. I foresee it being a very busy one, but we shall see. So let's go.
I'll be yours if you let me hold you tight. But I don't know if you let me in, yeah. I know you had your heart broken one too many times, and now it's hard for you to open up. They have been cruel to you, saying things they don't mean. They have been rude to you, disrespect how you feel. But baby, I'll never go that far, 'cause I know better than that. So baby, let me hold you, hold you. I wanna show you, show you, show you how to treat you right, treat you right. Pull you closer through the highs and lows. Yeah, I wanna show you how to treat you right, treat you right. Let me show you what love is and why it's beautiful. Just put your body on top of mine, yeah. I won't treat you the same way as other girls who have no shame. No, I die for you. They have been cruel to you, saying things they don't mean. They have been rude to you, disrespect how you feel. But baby, I'll never go that far, 'cause I know better than that. So baby, let me hold you, hold you. I wanna show you, show you, show you how to treat you right, treat you right. Pull you closer through the highs and lows. Yeah, I wanna show you how to treat you right, treat you right. Treat you right, treat you right. Treat you right, treat you right. Yeah, I would never ever let you go.
I'm done with today's workout. You guys saw that in the beginning I was wearing a t-shirt, but because I was sweating so much, I had to remove the t-shirt. Like, I had to remove the t-shirt. I was sweating too much. Man, that was intense. I'm following workouts by Juice and Toya. They are a couple, a black and African American couple, and their workouts are really good. I follow the no equipment workout, the home workout, no equipment. That way I don't need dumbbells, I don't need all of that, which I don't even have, by the way, not yet. It's pretty intense, and what I love the most about their workouts is that they have warm-up sessions, then the main workout, then they have cool down sessions as well, which is really good. So I really love this. I do the 30-minute workouts. I haven't done it in a couple of days, so I was like, let me do this today, and I feel really good already. I did sweat a lot, like guys, a lot of sweat. Everywhere is dripping with sweat, and that's the goal for me. So I'm going to allow this sweat dry. A lot of sweat, by the way, but I'm going to allow this sweat dry, then take a bath, because usually when I sweat like this and I go take a bath, I realize that when I'm done taking a bath I'm still sweating. So usually I'll allow myself cool down properly, then take a shower. And I have to edit a video this morning. The video is going up today and it's not edited yet. I've been stalling, guys, but I've just been super like drained and exhausted, so I'm just taking it easy, really. Anyway, let me get on with my day, okay? Hi guys, good morning. Hope you guys are doing good. So today is Saturday and it's still very early, like it's barely even 8:30 a.m. I think, but it's going to be a busy Saturday for me today because one, it's going to be a busy Saturday with my mom. She also has to make her hair, so I'm taking her to the salon to get her hair braided, and myself as well. I'm also going to go get my hair recut and retouched, restyled and everything. Since I retouched my hair in July, I haven't done it, like I haven't retouched my hair since July, and it has grown quite a bit, so I need to recut it because I'm not trying to grow my hair, okay? It's about the no cut pixie cut life right now, so I'm not trying to grow my hair. So I'm going to have it recut, restyled, retouched, and yeah, that's the plan today. Anyways, I'm going over to her house to pick her up and then we head out together. So I have one extra pack of this Lush braiding hair, this gray one I used. I have one extra pack, and obviously my mom's hair is gray, so I feel like this would be a very good color for her to use, and she also concurred. So I just have one, but I've told the salon to get an extra one for her. I've left Momsy at the salon where she's braiding her hair. I just got to the salon where I want to cut and do everything to my hair. I even had to order breakfast for my Momsy. See, that woman is my case study today. Like, she's all for me, I'm all for her today. I had to order her breakfast and they will probably deliver it to the salon while I'm gone. Even I haven't eaten, but me eating would be once I'm done with my hair. I'll just look forward to grab a bite because we really started our day early. But anyways, let me go and get this hair in order, guys. It's about time, okay? Okay guys, so I am done with my hair, and I love my hair as always. Like Oge always gets it, she always gets it. I have a bit of a mohawk going on and I absolutely love it. I want to make my nails, but man, time is going. I'm sure Momsy will soon be done with her hair. Plus I am extremely famished. I haven't eaten today at all, so I need to go and grab a bite before I faint. Right, so that's where I'm heading to now. Go grab something to eat and then meet up with Momsy. Yeah, anyways, I love my hair guys, I love my hair. Ooh, ooh, ooh. So I just finished eating. Man, that food was needed and I still feel like I'm hungry. I feel like the food I was eating did not go anywhere. That's how I feel. And while I was coming out of Kilimanjaro, where I went to have lunch, I saw two of my subscribers, Juliet and Lillian. If you are watching, shout out to you girls. It's always so nice seeing you guys like in real life, you know. It's so nice. So Juliet and Lillian, it was nice to meet you guys today. I just got to the salon where Momsy is making her hair, so let me go and check up on her. I pray to God that she's literally almost done so that we can start going, because I'm tired. I've been on my feet since literally 7 a.m. this morning and I'm exhausted, and today is not a school day, so why? Food is life, but I still feel like that food I ate, it was not enough for me. You know how you will eat, you'll be very hungry, you will eat and you will not be full. Yeah, I'm not full. I feel like I just had a snack basically. Anyways, yeah, let me head in and see what's going on. So pretty. Bele? You're tired. Yeah.
You didn't include this thing. Did you include the brush? The woman said it's Lalegaga. I say it's Lalegaga.
Hi guys, so I'm back home. Obviously this is like hours after the last clip. Oh, by the way, I'm munching on this popcorn. I always see this popcorn in so many stores. Like each time I go grocery shopping, I always see this popcorn in so many stores, but I always pass it. I'll just be like, it will not be sweet. All this popcorn, it will not be sweet, it will not be nice. Until some days ago I decided to just try it out. I saw it in a store near my house. I picked up this particular one, this caramel lights. Oh my god, it is so good. Like, it is so good. It is so crunchy, almost like they just made it now. The way they seal it, the crunch is, you know, preserved. And this particular flavor, the caramel one, oh my god, it is heaven. They have other flavors. I've seen one that has different colors in it. Then I've seen their salt one, I think. I'm not sure, but I'll try out more flavors. But for now, this is my absolute favorite. The brand name is Sweet Nation's World of Popcorn and Treats. That's what it looks like. And they are here in Abuja. They are based here in Abuja. I really love it. It's tasty. It's so yum. Anyway, I want to end today's vlog. I'm still admiring my hair. Okay. Still admiring my gorgeous pixie cut. Anyway, just to end the vlog, hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you enjoyed watching, let me know in the comment section down below. Subscribe, share, thumbs up the video. I'll see you guys in my next one. Okay, mwah. Bye.
Oh yeah, but somehow I always seem to wake up in your bed.